Hello learners, it's your facilitator, Sir Joseph. In today's edition, we are going to talk about the environment. The environment. Okay, I'm very sure that when you guys were in grade 3, you spoke about the environment. That it consists of all the things around us, our surroundings. So the environment consists of all the things around us. It serves as home for humans and other living organisms. The environment also provides us with air, food, water, and other human needs. Without the environment, humans and animals cannot survive. Okay, today we are going to discuss human activities that destroy the environment. The things that we do as humans which destroy the environment. First, cutting down trees without replacement. We call it deforestation. Cutting down trees without replacement. When we cut trees to make furniture, our tables, our chairs, our bed, our wardrobe, and other things, and we don't replace them, we are causing harm to the environment. Practicing illegal mining. Into bracket, we have galamsey. Practicing illegal mining. When we engage in illegal mining, we destroy our water bodies, and then we also destroy our land. You know, we use our land to cultivate crops which provide us food. So when we engage or when we indulge ourselves in illegal mining, we destroy our water bodies and our land. Fishing with chemicals or dumping waste into water bodies. Fishing with chemicals or dumping waste into water bodies is also one of human activities that we do to destroy the environment. When we fish with chemicals, we leave our water bodies poisonous. It is no more safe for human consumption, and then the younger fishes or the fingerlings in the water, we also kill them all. And the fish that we are able to harvest also become unhealthy for human consumption. Indiscriminate bush burning. Indiscriminate bush burning. When we burn our bushes, like farmers and then the hunters, when they go for hunting, they burn bushes so that they can get enough meat. When we burn our bushes, we kill the microorganisms in the soil which help our plants to grow. When we kill these microorganisms, we are going to leave the soil acidic, and when our soil is acidic, we cannot cultivate crops. Improper disposal of waste in the environment. This is quite similar with dumping waste into water bodies. Yes, when we dump waste into water bodies, we are not disposing waste properly. Improper disposal of waste in our environment. When we tend to dispose waste just everywhere, we are going to make our environment unhealthy place. We are going to make the environment unclean, which is going to cause us harm. We are all going to fall sick. When we fall sick, we can die, and it is not a good practice. So these are human activities that we do to destroy the environment. Now let's look at the effects of these activities on the environment. When we do these kind of things, let's look at the effect on the environment. Effect of human activities on the environment includes 1. Less rainfall. Yes, when we cut our trees down, we are going to experience less or low rainfall because our trees loses water into the atmosphere. This water cools down and falls back as rain. So when we don't have enough trees or enough plants, we are going to experience less rainfall. Drought. When there is drought, we cannot cultivate our plants. because the earth wouldn't be able to hold much water in it because it doesn't rain. When we experience less rainfall, there's going to be drought. When there's drought, we cannot cultivate our plants, and we know our plants also provide us with food. Farming, when we don't have much food in the environment, when we do not have much food, we are going to go hungry. That is farming. There's going to be great farming if we don't have much food in the system. And when we don't experience much rainfall, we cannot cultivate much crops to feed. Heat. Yes, human activities that destroy the environment. When we do this kind of activities that we mentioned earlier on, they tend to have effect as heat on the environment, because when we burn bushes and we release harmful gases like smoke and fumes from car exhaust or motor vehicles into the atmosphere, they destroy the ozone layer. When the ozone layer is being depleted, then the sun tends to shine directly on this earth, which also causes the soil to become very hot, kills the microorganisms, leaves the soil acidic, and it also makes the atmosphere very hot. And then the last one is flood. Human activities. When we don't plan our settlement very well, when we live in slum areas and where we don't have proper layout in where we live, when it rains, it causes flood. And when flood occurs, we know how it destroys our properties. Okay, so these are the effects of human activities on the environment. There's going to be an exercise attached to what we've learned today. You should all do it and send it to me through my WhatsApp. I hope you guys have understood. If you have any question, record it and send it to me through my WhatsApp. Thank you.